Go-karting.
First time go-karting? Excited? Can you touch the pedals? Okay. Good boy.
Go.
Take it easy. How was that, Jake?
Great.
Yeah?
I won you.
You beat me, did you?
Can I do it again?
When is your birthday, okay? You enjoyed?
Mum, do it again.
Weren't you scared?
Please, can I do it again? So fun. So fun.
And today is his birthday again, because Jake's lucky. He's born on 29th of February, so he gets either his birthday on the 28th or the 1st of March. This year is going to be the 1st of March, isn't he, mate? Because he was a bit sick. But today, he's good. So, here's the first birthday present. Here you go.
Running shoes.
Show us. What does it say on the other side? That one there. It says Supreme. Yeah. So happy birthday, Jake. 9 years old. Or are you 2?
Nine. 2. Just gonna Drake's with me.
Yeah, who's going to win?
Me.
Really?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I look forward to it. So here we are in the go-kart track. I'll just give you a quick run around. So this is the track. Not bad, slippery this corner here. Jake, who's going to win?
Me.
Justin, who's going to win?
Me.
Tristan, who's going to win? You? Are you going to win, Ken? Yes. Are you going to win, Bobby?
I don't know.
Let's see. Okay. Hey, gentlemen, start your engines. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.